Hey, it's Hannah, and have I got a view for you. Keep track of all your project timelines, dependencies, and deadlines in one place with the Gantt chart view. Let's check it out. To get started with the Gantt chart, you'll need to first set up your board. You'll need either a timeline or date column. And, while not necessary, having a people, status, and dependency column can really bring your Gantt chart to life. Then, add the Gantt view from here. Before we dive in, let's check out the widget itself. You can leave the size and framing as is, or drag the corners to resize it to your liking. I'll go ahead and dock the widget from here for a full screen experience. Alright, as you can see, the Gantt view is divided into two sections. We have a list of tasks and dates, and a visual representation of each item. This view is fully customizable, so open up the setting widgets here to make it your own. If you have more than one timeline or date column, choose which ones to include here. Next, choose which column to group by, label by, and color by for at-a-glance project clarity. From there, tweak your visual settings. Mix and match to find what works best for you. For a streamlined look at your crucial tasks, check out the critical path. When turned on, critical path will highlight your dependent tasks in red to give you a clear picture of the actual completion time of your project. So now, you'll know exactly what needs to be done and when to finish on time. And because projects don't always go as planned, try adding a baseline from here. We'll take a snapshot of the current project to keep as a point of reference as tasks are moved. Your project plan will highlight on-track tasks in green and delayed ones in red, all while keeping your original plan in gray for reference. To highlight important dates, try adding milestones. You can convert any timeline entry to a milestone by clicking this box and selecting your date. Now, you'll see each milestone clearly represented in your Gantt view. Navigate your view from this toolbar. Orient yourself to the current day by clicking here. View your calendar in days, weeks, months, quarters, or even years. Zoom in or out to get a different perspective, or select AutoFit to show all items. To see the Gantt chart and your main table on the same page, choose Split Mode from this dropdown. And export your Gantt view as a PDF or Excel file from here for easy sharing. Items in the Gantt view are totally interactive, meaning you can drill down to specific details and make updates on the fly. The Gantt view is flexible enough to keep up with your dynamic work. Drag and drop any item to shift the timeline dates, or extend the item from either end. Want to combine tasks from multiple projects? No problem. For this, we have our Gantt dashboard widget. Upon adding the widget to your dashboard, you can select the boards and groups you'd like to include on the right. From there, the settings are nearly identical to the ones we just saw. With your widget configured, you'll be well equipped to hit each milestone across all your projects. And that's all for now. From the big picture to the small details, the Gantt chart view will help you manage it all. Check out these videos to learn more, or click the logo to ask us anything.